how to test our newly developed Pytest connector with minimum efforts. So there is a directory test, the part of installation, which has 7 tests of today, which cover basic functionality. So what we do, we use Pytest. We can specify some parameters. For instance, we can specify which server our application is running at. By default, by the way, it's going to be localhost port 8000, which is the default settings for Fast API application. So normally you don't need to do that. We need to type in information about our user. So in this case, the extension 101, because we're connected to a real API, and we have to say what is the password, and for that particular user, I've chosen this is the password. Right? Now we can specify which test to run. If we run all the tests in the directory, some of them would fail because it's not supported. So let's be selective. We need test number 1, which is system info, just getting basic system information. There is the second test, login and password, and we need one more, which is number 6, getting extension information. Okay, right now test failed because my Python environment is missing lazy fixture module or add-on to Pytest, so let's fix it. And now we can repeat the tests. Okay, something didn't work properly. Let's see what happened. Okay, so what we get looks like it started failing on the password information and failed to get extension information. And by checking this, it looks like, okay, I actually typed the password, this password incorrectly. It should be 0331. So let's repeat it. And of course, when you will be developing your application, there will be multiple cases with different errors. Okay, so the tests are running successfully. And by the way, these tests, if you don't want to do it manually, you can also package them into a container. There's a Docker file in the test directory, and you can just run it independently from a container.